Welcome to highlights of day 2 of the 8th Asian Airgun Championship being played at the Dr. Karni Singh shooting ranges in New Delhi. It's day 2 of action, so it's women's air rifle time, and we begin with the youth event of the 10-meter air rifle for women. This is the start list. 2 Indians in the finals, Ashi Rastogi in the first position, Prachi Gadkari in the third firing position, Malika Lagutenko of Tajikistan, 3 shooters from Taipei, Wu Pai Yu, Liao Chao Mei and Chang Chi-jui, as well as 2 shooters from Iran who will make up the start list. Let's join the highlights.
Decision, I have to say goodbye to Wu Bei, representing Chinese Taipei with a score of 77.7. Congratulations for securing the 8th place and a big round of applause for the shooter. With this, Chang Chi-wei, representing Chinese Taipei, is still maintaining a lead with 82.2 points.
For the next combination of low stop.
After this shot, Chang Chi is still leading, representing Chinese Taipei with a score of 92.8, followed by, with this, representing India, Prachi Gadkari takes the lead with 102.5 points. Also, Liao Chao Mei, representing Chinese Taipei, is on the same position.
But just
With a score of 102.5.
slightly poor run of scores in the last couple of shots.
Start.
So the 2 names to watch out for, Sobikhiz and